Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync project across device in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application on my PC, and if you want to sync project, we need to sign into CapCut. Here you will see project sync, and you can activate this project sync. And you need to sign in guys with your Facebook or Google or TikTok. It's up to you, and I'm going to use Google. Okay, done guys. I have already signed in, and I'm going to open up my CapCut application. Wait. Okay, this is my CapCut application, and if you want to sync project across device, make sure that you sign in with the same account so the project will be synced. Okay, I'm going to go to my spaces and CapCut, and I still have space. Okay, these are the projects I have uploaded to my space, and we can open the project using another device. You can open it from your phone or another computer, or it's up to you. Most importantly, you sign in with the same account, so you can open up your project in any device. And yeah, that's so simple. And make sure that you have space guys, because we can only save the project if we have space. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.